Hello, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 6. In the diagram, A, B, C, D, and E lie on the circle with center O. So this is the center. AC is perpendicular to OB. AC is perpendicular to OB. We can see that here. And they intersect at F. AOE is a straight line. This is a straight line passing through the center. So this is diameter. AOE is diameter, and then A1 is 38 degrees. Okay, now we have a diameter. So think of angles in the semicircle. When angle is subtended by a diameter, which is 90 degrees. Think about those angles. All right, what else? Let's see. State all relevant reasons with your statements. Determine C1. Oh, very easy. So if you check C1 here, C1 is subtended by diameter at the circumference. If you check, this is AOA subtending C1 at the circumference. So meaning that C1 is 90 degrees. Angle C1 is equal to 90 degrees. And then angle in semicircle. Right, angle in semicircle. Right, let's check B. Determine angle D. This angle here. Right, what do you see there? Like if you check points A, E, D, and C are concyclic. They form what? A cyclic quad. And then angle D and angle A1 are opposite angles of a cyclic quad. So it means angle D and angle A1 are supplementary because they are opposite angles of what? Of a cyclic quad. Supplementary meaning that they add up to 180 degrees. So B, you say angle D plus angle A1 is equal to 180 degrees. And then the reason here you can say opposite angles of cyclic quad. We have our A1 which is 38, we can transpose it. So angle D is equal to 180 degrees minus 38 degrees. So meaning that angle D is equal to 142 degrees. Okay, and then let's do C. Determine angle ABC. Angle ABC, this angle. Now we have this one. Let's write this one, angle D there. Said angle D is what? 142 degrees. That is angle D there. C1 is 90 degrees. We can find angle E1. Okay, and then if you check again, point A, B, C, E are concyclic. Okay, they are forming what? A cyclic quad, meaning that angle E1 and angle ABC are supplementary because they are opposite angles of a cyclic quad. So we can start by finding angle E1. Then after finding angle E1, we can find angle B. Okay, let's start by finding angle E1. Angle E1 is equal to 180 minus 90 minus 38. Or just say, know that angle A1 and angle E1 are complementary angles. They add up to 90. If you say 90 minus 38, you still get the same thing. Okay? Right, we get what? You get a 52. But let's use interior angles of a triangle. Angle E1 is equal to 180 degrees minus. So you can say minus and then you add these two. 90 degrees plus 38 degrees. Right, then they get that angle E1. Or the reason here, interior angles of triangle. Right, meaning that angle E1 is equal to 52 degrees. Right, this angle is 52 degrees. Right now, we have angle E1, we can easily find angle ABC. So, angle ABC is equal to 180 minus 52 because these are opposite angles of a cyclic quad. 180 degrees minus 52. Remember, opposite angles of a cyclic quad are what? Are supplementary. They add up to 180 degrees. Right? Opposite angles of cyclic quad. Angle ABC is equal to 128 degrees. So this angle, the whole angle B1 and B2, 128 degrees. Let's try to do a D. Let's use this space here. If AC is 8 centimeters, this whole AC is 8 centimeters, and then BC is 5 centimeters. This is 5 centimeters. Determine the length of BF. We want this length here. Let me just highlight it. We want this length here. BF, right? And then you can see that BFC is the right angle triangle. BFC is a right angle triangle. So we can use the Pythagoras theorem to find BF. Okay. But what is the size of FC? FC is going to be half of 8. It's going to be 4. Why 4? Let me write 4 centimeters. Because a line from the center, OP is from the center. A line from the center perpendicular to the chord, AC is the chord here. A line from the center perpendicular to the chord will bisect the chord, meaning that this line OP will divide AC into 2 equal parts. Since AC is 8 centimeters, it means FC is 4 centimeters and FA is 4 centimeters. Okay, let's just write that. AF is equal to FC. And then the reason, line from center perpendicular to chord. Right, a line from center perpendicular to chord bisects the chord. So meaning that AF is equal to 4 centimeters. Now we can use the Pythagoras theorem to find what? To find BF. Okay, it's 3. Remember the ratio. 3 is to 4 is to 5. Okay, but if you want, you can say 5 squared is equal to 4 squared plus BF squared. And then write your reason, Pythagoras. And then BF squared is equal to 5 squared minus 4 squared. BF is equal to the square root of F squared minus 4 squared. Then BF is equal to 3 centimeters.